look at this. This is the muddy car. Okay, let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Let's go. Well, my friend, what do you think? Which one do you like to go first, my friend? How about this one, my friend? Look at this big truck. This is huge truck, my friend. Ta-da! Yes, this is the big truck. Okay. Alright, what next? What do you think of this? What is this, my friend? Ta-da! Well, an aeroplane, my friend. Very nice. Alright, an aeroplane. Stay there. What next, my friend? This is could be the one. The bigger. I mean, let's see. Not, I mean, the long chassis truck, my friend. Not the bigger, but this is the long. Alright, stay there. Okay, what is this, my friend? Okay, I see. Wow, amazing tomato.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Look at this brown color. Okay, everything okay. Toe, stay there. Right, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see, my friend. Wow, dump truck, my friend. Nice. Alright, let's go with this one, my friend. Alright, amazing. My rescue. Alright, what is this, my friend? Well, this is a Thomas, my friend.
Arabic. I've never carried a real live lion before.
When Cranky heard...
Alright, Thomas. Very nice. Wow, what is this, my friend? The big one. Oh, ta-da! Lighting liquid.
Guys, a little too much chatter. Let's keep this line clear. Smoke from number 10, Klitschkowski.
Well, good morning, McQueen. Okay, let's go, my friend. What is this? Check this out, my friend. Wow, kind of rally car, my friend. With the sunroof, red color. Yeah. And what is this, my friend? Wow, compactor, my friend. Wow, very nice. Okay, this is dump truck, my friend. Okay, friend, it's for mining. Okay, very big. What else, my friend? Wow, can you imagine of this? Okay, let's see, my friend. Wow, actually this is a rally car, my friend. Yeah, the same thing, different color. Right, what is this, my friend? Okay, this is a police car. Wow, this is NASCAR, my friend. Okay, nice. Okay, what is this, my friend? Alright, this is a Molen truck, my friend.
สบายสบายครับ
So big, my friend. Okay, nice car, my friend. Where is Mustang or Chevrolet? Okay, what is this? Wow, this is no tractor. This one is a loader. Okay. Okay, the last one, my friend. What is this? Okay, tayo, my friend.
Kita berangkat semuanya. Nah. Hah?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Bye bye.